Good evening.
Hi, my name is Jeremy Russell Nelson Fisher.
And I'm Stacia Smythe Martin.
We taught level 4 this week at Uptown Swing.
With a focus on Strictly's, showing up nice and Strictly, connecting both with your partner and the audience, and then if you're in the audience, lending your energy to the performers, and just thinking about generally the differences between a Strictly and a mix and match. We did stuff, we taught you a little choreo, you came up with your own, which was easier when we did that in a little jam circle. You guys did great. We'll show you real quick the choreography. Feel free to steal any part of this if you want to.
There's a little move in here, just a shout out to Amanda Clem, because we came up with it together.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Can we do it this way?
Yeah.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. See you later.